Harley, don't run away from the camera. Don't run away from the camera.
Miserable dog.
Marley, you're a project.
Marley, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say?
Leaves turning yellow, I'm back where we first met. It is raining, but all I can see is the summer we spent. The letter in my wallet, I'll keep it till we meet again.
We're back at the market. Yeah, last time it was summer and now it's fall, so we'll see hopefully very different kind of fresh flowers and fruits.
I think I saw a lot of apples when we turned, which makes me a little bit excited. I'm not crazy for apples. I enjoy apple pie, or one apple pie in particular. Auntie Curly's apple pie. Auntie Curly, if you're watching, hi. You know how I feel about you and about your pie.
Yeah, I don't like apple as a fruit.
Oh, okay.
But in any other processed form, I like apples.
Okay, so for Thanksgiving dinner, I have volunteered to make honey glazed carrots, and the recipe is on the channel, so I'll link it for you. But I want to make rainbow carrots, and I know that the market has them, so that's why we came today.
You should never doubt it's true. I am not for good at you. You're the one on my mind. And I could spend the winter too, as long as I am there with you, 'cause you're the one on my mind.
We have the veggie hot dogs and Nordic fruit water to wash them down.
We're at IKEA, and we're gonna try the vegan dog, veggie dog.
Yes, the IKEA
Finally.
gods have heard our wishes. Now IKEA has a veggie dog, which is amazing.
Sweet and spicy mustard, pickled red cabbage, and roasted onion. On the other hot dog, it just has like a very sad little
Maybe
squirt
this is
of
IKEA's
regular
own way
mustard.
to, as I mentioned, encourage people to have more vegetables in their diet.
Absolutely.
We are very excited about having a veggie dog. What's that?
This one's like beets, basically red cabbage. These are the fried onions.
Nice. And do you also put those toppings on a non-veggie dog? Like, or is it perfect? I feel special that these are awesome. I'm going for it, honey. I can't stop.
Do it.
The wiener is very flavorful. I can flavor every vegetable in it.
Oh my god.
So you can flavor all the ingredients in the veggie hot dog. It's not the chewiness of a regular hot dog, but it is delicious. It has these crispy bites, crunchy sauerkraut, crispy onion, the fried bits, and the bun is very nice.
I'm gonna try to describe some textures. I'll list all the ingredients somewhere, maybe right here. I thought it would have a texture like mashed up vegetables, but it doesn't. It has a chewy texture. It has a nice chewy texture.
Yeah, but again, just
Yeah.
to be clear, it's not the texture of your regular hot dog.
No, it's not. It's delicious. Plus, it already comes with all these toppings. Like, it comes with the fried onion. It comes with the sauerkraut. And those are
75
toppings.
cents.
It's cheaper than the regular
Beat
dog.
me.
And those are toppings that you don't get with the regular dog. It's fun.
Going for the second dog. Hey Dad. Is Aneela doing a good job?
Very good job. Nobody can do it as fast as she can.
Harley, don't run away from the camera. Don't run away from the camera.
Miserable dog.
Marley, you're a project.
Marley, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Thanksgiving.
What kind of Thanksgiving experience are you having, Brenna?
Terrible. Very stressful. So we're having a great experience now because
Because
having a
alcohol has
wine.
been infused into the situation. Although Pranav is a non-drinker, so he's enjoying the mad wine.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the mad wine. That's MADD, and we've tried this. I've tried the white wine version of their product, and it has been really beautiful, fruity notes. This is the first time I'm trying the red wine, and I'm enjoying this, sipping on it, because I'm the designated driver for our family.
And I'm just drinking. I'm drinking prosecco. So, yeah.
It's a nippy fall evening, and standing out here, it's very nice, and have the beautiful view of a nice lawn here with a nice garden. And it's also the only place in the house where you can't, or you can hardly hear the dog. You can hear him, but it's pleasantly quieter.
I mean, you can still hear him. It's not Marley's fault. He's an American Eskimo. He's quite loving, but he has a problem with the oven. So many things have been cooking in the oven, and he despises the oven. I'm sure he's plotting something. I'm thankful for the off button on the oven. All right, so anyway, when you see this, it's probably not going to be Thanksgiving. I mean, Thanksgiving will be probably weeks in the past, but happy Thanksgiving anyways. And however you're celebrating, honestly, every day is Thanksgiving, but however you celebrate it today, I hope you had a great time with your family and friends and your loved ones. I just really wish I had like a tranquilizer dart. Not for the dog, like for me.
Happy.
Thank you, Lord. It's Thanksgiving. All this nice food prepared by everybody. This is veggie turkey that over. Okay, I'm done. That orange. So
I just came into the laundry room to vlog really quickly. We almost had a major crisis. The dog very nearly got into the apple pie, and then everyone in the living room started screaming like, Marley, Marley! He's taken food off my plate. He's stolen like 3 napkins tonight. I was just like, please don't let it be the pie. And he was going for the pie, but then they were able to divert him, so the pie is intact. Now, this is Auntie Curly. This is Auntie Curly who makes the pie. So like we almost lost the pie, but the pie's okay. Yay! That's what we're thankful for tonight. Is that the pie is intact, and we're gonna eat it right now.